Hey everyone, Devin with OBS Solutions, and tonight we're going to talk about brick nose things. Kenny, you like brick noses, right?
Yep, they're pretty cool.
All right, so it's been about 2 years since we had our Aussie headlights in stock. I'm sorry, people. The reason being, these bezels, woo, unobtainium. We finally got them from Australia. That's where we import them. And they're on the website. They're cool. What's an Aussie headlight, though? What's that about? Well, an Aussie headlight is, what is it, Kenny? Tell them.
It was the way the brick nose trucks were built in Australia.
And what they do is they allow you to run any 5x7 headlight with a different style bezel. It gets away from that flat look. It gives it kind of a bullnose look. Very cool. You don't see a lot of them.
The Derpy Delete kit, Devin.
That's right, the Derpy. There you go, Kenny. And while we're waiting, we retooled the bucket for the Aussies. And why would we do that? Well, first,
I don't know if I call that a bucket, Devin.
What would you call it?
That bucket's on the truck.
That is true. It's called a bracket then. We usually say that a lot of stuff. So anyway, this guy right here, we actually modified it. We gave it a lot more adjustability. This guy holds this bezel. Now, it comes with the ring that holds your 5x7. All you supplies are the choice of your 5x7. You just buy those. Everything else comes in this kit. Installs in factory buckets. Very cool. On the website. Is there anything else, Kenny?
They're powder coated.
They are powder coated. OBSSolutions.net. Thanks, everyone.
Brick nose forever, dude.
Sure, Kenny.